Have you ever wondered why some people meditate for just a few minutes, yet their whole day feels calmer, clearer, and more focused? What if I told you that the secret isn't Tete Technique, but the exact time you choose to meditate? Yes, there is a golden window in your day that can transform your mind, your energy, and even the way you make decisions. So, when is the best time to meditate, and why does it work so well? Stay with me until the end. The answer may surprise you. Before we ask, when should I meditate? Let us explore an even more important question. Why does the timing matter in the first place? Meditation is a powerful shift into deep awareness, emotional balance, and mental clarity. Throughout the day, your brain moves through different states, sometimes distracted, sometimes focused, and sometimes calm. The best time to meditate is when your brain is naturally ready to enter a calm, centered state without resistance. Think of it like trying to plant a seed. You wouldn't plant it in frozen ground. You'd wait for the perfect conditions. Similarly, meditating when your mind is most receptive can make all the difference. When do you feel mentally clear, early in the morning or late at night? Tell me in the comments below. So, what is this golden window? Most psychological and mindfulness studies point to one specific time, early in the morning, ideally within the first 30 to 60 minutes after waking up. There are a few key reasons why this time is so effective. First, right after you wake up, your brain is often in what's known as an alpha wave state. This is the same brainwave state you entered during light meditation, making it the perfect launch pad for focus and calm. Second, your mind is still a clean slate. You haven't yet dived into the chaos of emails, decisions, stress, or your daily to-do list. This mental quiet allows you to set a positive tone for the day. Even a short 5-minute morning meditation acts like a mental reset button. Studies show it reduces anticipatory anxiety and boosts positive mood for the entire day ahead. It also sharpens your mindfulness, helping you navigate your day with more presence and less mental noise. If you've ever tried meditating in the morning, did you feel a difference in your energy or focus? Let me know. But what if you're not a morning person? Don't worry. There's another powerful time to meditate. Right before you go to sleep. Nighttime meditation is incredibly effective for a different set of reasons. As you wind down, meditation helps lower stress hormones like cortisol and activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for rest and relaxation. This process can help you fall asleep faster and experience deeper, more restorative sleep. For many of us, the moment our head hits the pillow is when our mind decides to run a marathon of worries, to-do lists, and regrets. A pre-sleep meditation practice is the perfect tool to quiet that overthinking and late-night mental chatter. It's especially beneficial for people dealing with anxiety or restless nights. Think of it as a gentle signal to your mind, saying, "Thank you for all your hard work today. You can rest now." So, morning versus night, which one is better? The best answer depends entirely on your intention and your personal goals. If your primary goal is to have more focus, sharp energy, and increase productivity throughout your day, then morning meditation is your best bet. It primes your brain for success and helps you start the day with clarity and intention. On the other hand, if you're looking for deep relaxation, emotional calm, and better sleep quality, then a nighttime practice is ideal. It helps you release the day's tension and prepare your body and mind for rest. But here's the most important factor: consistency. If your ultimate goal is to build a solid, lasting habit, the best time is simply the time you can realistically commit to every single day, whether it's 5 minutes in the morning or 10 minutes at night. What matters most is showing up for yourself consistently. If you had to pick only one time to meditate, morning or night, which one would you choose? Share your answer below. Feeling inspired. Let's do a quick grounding exercise together right now. You can do this anywhere, anytime. Just find a comfortable position. Now, let's begin. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 seconds. Feel the air fill your lungs. Hold that breath gently for 2 seconds. And now, exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds, letting go of any tension. Let's do that again. Inhale for 4. Hold for 2. Exhale for 6. One more time. Inhale 4. Hold 2. Exhale 6. Just take a moment to notice how your mind softens, how your breathing becomes a little deeper, and how your body feels just a bit lighter. That is the power of presence. It's accessible to you even in just 30 seconds. If you want more guided meditations, mindfulness exercises, and practical psychological tools to ease stress, improve your focus, and deepen yourself, you're in the right place. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, because my next video is titled, How to Meditate Deeply Even. If your mind stop thinking. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Thank you for watching.